In primetime news this evening, midwives in the public health sector restive.
Another student attack by adults raises alarm.
And farm thieves have a new target, coffee farmers. Good evening and welcome to primetime news on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Janella, Grace Kennedy Remittance Services is launching a new online platform which it says simplifies international and local money transfers. I'll give you the details later on in the business day.
Thank you, Log. And Renata Brown is here with a preview of what's coming up in primetime sports.
Well, Archie, from you see the color, you know we're talking West Indies cricket. Well, CWI has increased the tenure for the office of President and Vice President to 3 years, up from 2. This after a special meeting on Sunday. And Reggae Boys head coach Steve McLaren praised local-based players after 2-game series against TNT. We'll have those and much more in primetime sports.
I was going to say it's talking about a high school. I won't call any names.
And Romain is also here with a preview of the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thanks, Janella. Now, there are cloudy conditions that are expected over the next couple of days across most of the island, but we still have the morning showers affecting sections of the northeast.
Thanks, Romain. Weather report and forecast later on in detail. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we are asking, what strategies do you use to ensure your children are safe?
Again, what strategies do you use to ensure your children are safe? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.